Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Porsche tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a firm, level surface, away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels diagonally opposite the flat. Gather all necessary tools, including your jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire. Safety is paramount before beginning any work on your vehicle. Once your safety measures are in place, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Do not remove them yet, just break them free. Next, locate the correct jacking point on your Porsche, typically indicated in your owner's manual. Position the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Ensure stability throughout this process. With the vehicle safely lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Now, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully slide it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. This ensures the wheel is seated correctly before lowering the car. Do not fully tighten them yet. Finally, lower your Porsche completely to the ground. Once the car is resting on its own weight, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Double-check the tightness of each nut. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.